It is nearly the year 2020 when I'm recording this in December. And I know so many of you are thinking about going after your packaged food business dream. You're wondering if now is the time to go after it, to start that dream. And then you get on Google and you start to Google how to start a packaged food business. And you quickly become confused, overwhelmed. Maybe you're starting to doubt whether that's a good idea or not. So you stop. But you just can't shake this idea that this is the time. 2020, this is the year to make it happen, right? Everybody tells you that you make something amazing, that people want this product. You're excited about it. You are super passionate. But what if it doesn't work? What if you fail? For the best packaged food advice, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to be notified every time I release a new video all about starting and growing a profitable packaged food business. Hey there, I'm Sari Kimbell, and I am the creator of Food Business Success. And I have helped hundreds of packaged food business entrepreneurs start and grow profitable and successful brands, getting them on the shelves of major retailers, starting a farmer's market business, or launching into e-commerce. I would love for you to comment below and tell me, what is your food business dream that you are thinking about starting for 2020? Or the business that you did start, but now you're ready to grow it. When you think about running a successful, profitable food business, do you get scared? You totally should. It's very normal. Anything that challenges the status quo, takes you out of your comfort zone, and asks you to take some risks is going to be scary. You're going to feel some fear. The hardest part of starting an idea, launching your dream, is the starting part, where you take that first couple of steps. I like to ask the question of my clients and students, what is the worst that can happen? What's the worst case scenario? When you think about it like this, usually the picture that is painted is you're going to go ahead and invest time and money. You're going to start that dream of yours. And after a while, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, you realize that you're not making any money. Maybe you're losing money. And so maybe you decide to quit at that point. And so you can't get that time back. You can't get that money back. And maybe you just keep doing what you've been doing. Maybe you never quit your job in the first place. So you're just going to keep going back to what you're doing. You might end up feeling some disappointment, some shame, some embarrassment, maybe some regret. But really, that's kind of the worst case scenario. So is it worth it to take a chance on your dream? Some are going to say yes, some are going to say no. But I want to offer an alternative worst case scenario. This is the one where you don't even try. You let fear of failure stop you from ever even pursuing that dream. You push away your desire and you end up missing out on all of the experiences, the amazing experiences of starting a dream, starting a business, being an entrepreneur. And you miss out on bringing that delicious idea into the world. People want and need what you are making. Think about all of the amazing food products that we have at our farmers markets, on grocery store shelves, online. These are products that taste amazing, that solve a problem, right? Like gluten-free or dairy-free. Think about if some of those products, if people behind them were too scared to even start, we would be missing out. And we would be missing out on what you have to bring into this world and share with others. I can tell you with 100% certainty that if you decide to go on this journey of starting or growing your food business, of being an entrepreneur, This will transform your life. It will change you forever. Even if it doesn't work, who cares? What are you going to make it mean? Are you going to make it mean that you're a failure, that you screwed up? Or are you going to make it mean that you went after your dream, that you tried, and you became a better person for it? I promise you that you will gain so much from this experience as a human being. And while entrepreneurship isn't for everyone, I do think that there is so much value to putting yourself out there, to taking risks, to letting people judge you and have opinions, and you standing firm in your passion and excitement about your dream. So to me, that is the worst case scenario. By not pursuing your dream, you are failing ahead of time. There's no question that failure is there if you don't even try. That said, starting a packaged food business is not easy. It is harder than you ever thought possible. And I don't want you to go on this journey alone. You don't have to make the mistakes that I see so many people make. You don't have to learn the hard way. You don't have to throw away good money on the pitfalls of starting a food business. The most successful entrepreneurs that I work with are the ones that get help early on. They seek out expertise to help them navigate the industry that they're going into and to help flatten their learning curve and help them get to market faster without wasting time and money. I want to invite you to get on the waitlist for the Food Business Success Accelerator. This program only opens up a couple of times a year. I only want the people who are really serious about starting or growing their packaged food business. It is a game changer if you are serious about starting or growing your packaged food business for 2020. It will help you launch, go to market faster without wasting time or money, to get into farmers markets, to get onto retail shelves, and to go launch into e-commerce. The link to get on the waitlist is below, and the doors to the accelerator will be opening very soon. Plus, I offer bonuses that are only available and sent to folks on that list. While you wait for those doors to open, be sure you pick up my top 10 mistakes and how to avoid them that I see food business entrepreneurs make. This is a great place to start to learn more about the mistakes and pitfalls that I see so many people make when they go into this business. I would love for you to like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to the Food Business Success channel so you can be notified every time I release a new video about starting and growing a packaged food business. I hope that you will take the leap in 2020 to grow your business or to start that dream. How freaking cool would that be? I don't want you to miss out on the chance to achieve your dreams, to go after your dreams. I would love to help you make your food business real. I would love to help you have some fun doing it and to ultimately create a successful and profitable packaged food business.